So we haven't posted any videos for about a month because we have been very busy moving into our new house. We had almost 50 bins to unpack from our storage locker in the US, and have had various vendors coming in to install window treatments, put frosting on the bathroom windows, plant flowers, bushes, and trees, lay gravel, and other stuff. We are still waiting on tiles around the pool. We can't really use it right now because getting out would be both muddy and very slippery. That said, it will be a terrific place to try out new dive gear and camera equipment. The kitchen still needs to be finished, and we only have provisional electrical capacity until the solar panels get installed, so we have some limitations on food preparation. The office does have a bit of an echo, but hopefully a carpet and window treatments will improve the sound quality for voiceovers. Even with all that going on, we were able to dive a few times, and we'll have a best of June video coming out in the next week or so. In the meantime, one of our underwater experiences involved a mantis shrimp cleaning house. Specifically, this is a Ciliated False Squilla, and we watched it for quite a while. I filmed it for several minutes, swam over to get Leslie, brought her back, and then she took a bunch of pictures. Given our current land-based activities, we could certainly relate to the endless back and forth trying to organize and keep the house clean. So enjoy the rest of this clip, and know that we'll be back on a regular schedule shortly.